You're looking at my HOSS high arch wheel hoe, and I've got it set in the narrowest position. So let me show you how to convert, or not convert, but how to change the spacing on your arch. If you're going to plow corn or potatoes, something like that, you want that space wider than that right there. So let me show you how we widen that thing out. So what we're going to do is loosen these 4 bolts and change it from these 2 holes on this green arm here, the wheel arm or wheel bracket. We're going to move this over here, which will in reality is going to move that out. We'll move these over here, which moves this out, and these wheels will be about 6 or 8 inches apart instead of 2 or 3 inches apart. So the quickest way to do this, I found, is just using a gun. Moving this over. Put the carriage bolt up in there, make sure it bottoms out, seats out in that square hole. While I'm doing this, I've got a video on how to assemble this as it comes from the factory. And the factory tells you to space it in these outside holes like I'm doing right now. I moved it in to do some cultivating. But this is how the instructions, the manual says to put it together. So I just want to show you that it is versatile enough to move inward, so you can do some cultivating in the middles. So that's that one. Tighten her down. And that's just a little drill driver. Slide it over. Tighten it down. And that's it. So now, as you can see, much wider, which allows you to straddle the corn, straddle the potatoes, whatever. I moved it in. Takes what? Well, you watched it. Takes a minute maybe to move it in. Now I will pull off the sweeps and put on some plows and go hill my corn. But just wanted to show you how easy it is to change your spacing, your wheel spacing, which also changes the spacing in between here. Like if you're gonna go plow corn or something like that, you can't have it that narrow. You need it wide like this. So there we go. We've changed it out. We're ready to put cultivators on it. We're ready to put plows on it, and the oscillating hose, all that. I got all my HOSS tools hanging up, ready to go. If you want one, please look below. I've got a link that will take you there, and they have got some marvelous garden tools. These are built to last my lifetime and somebody else's too, at least. I mean, this is an heirloom. HOSS tools, love them. We're gone.